Right, so just playing around with some BC547 transistors. Got it hooked up to my voltage supply, and here I've just got the transistor connected to positive with a resistor, 400 ohms I think. The base is, that's the collector. The base is just a wire that's going to go into the water, and then the LED is connected to the emitter and then to ground, and also got another wire from positive that goes into the water. And I'll see if I can show you how it works. This LED isn't working. I don't know if the LED is bad or not. And then I put the water here, put the positive wire in, and then this one here is connected to the base of this transistor. So we'll chuck that in, and it turns on. This one here isn't even in the right place still. It's come out with to put it back in. Let's try that now. So you're just going to try that with another LED. I think I blew up a few of them before. There we go. Let's try that. There we go. That was a bad LED.